right, y'all. So as I was saying, this is none other than the beautiful Kurt Geiger bag XXL from the Rainbow Collection. And this is such a stunning, beautiful bag. I love this bag. I have been eyeing this bag ever since last year, early last year, I think, at least like 8 months ago last year. And when I saw that it was on sale, I had to pick her up. Look at this beautiful eagle head on there with all those beautiful crystals in there. I love it. Look at all of the variations of the colors. Oh, there's no feet on the bottom. It's purple on the bottom. Is this purple? No, this is royal blue. It looks kind of purple on camera. But this is royal blue on the bottom. And then royal blue on the side. No, is this purple? No, that's royal blue on the side. And it's royal blue here. It's just beautiful. And this beautiful fuchsia in the back. Love this bag. So let's open her up. She is very sturdy. Oh, this is so beautiful. So let's take this stuffing out so that we can get a full view. Most of us are familiar with the Kensingtons because Kurt Geiger has had these bags around for a while now. So we're familiar with the Kensington bags. But here is that big opening in the front. And then the divider and the big opening in the back. And then the Kurt Geiger Creed. And then this is actually, where this Creed is, this is actually a pocket. Like you can put business cards in there or credit cards. And then this is another slip pocket. So that's that. And then there's no pocket on the outside of the bag at all. The snaps close very, very well. I'm not sure about this material, whether it's leather for sure or not. It may be PU leather, but I'm not, or PVC. Well, not PVC, but PU leather. I'm not sure about that. If someone knows for sure, you can let me know in the comments. But this is such a stunning, beautiful, beautiful bag. I absolutely love it. It has every single color that you might think you want to wear in the summertime or in the springtime. You can fit whatever in there. And I am so looking forward to wearing it. And here's the thing about Kurt Geiger. The thing that I love, one of the things that I love about Kurt Geiger is this beautiful eagle head. You know, I'm reminded of, not to get all religious and preachy, but I'm reminded of what the Bible says about eagles. Eagles are known for being majestic, powerful creatures. They are a protected species in the United States. And I looked this up. We can't even have a feather of an eagle. We're not supposed to even have a feather. So the eagle is very special, very majestic. And the Bible says that we shall mount up, to say, they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as an eagle. And so eagles are very, very significant. And that's one of the reasons why I love Kurt Geiger. Among other things, that's one of the reasons. Now, I do have something else to share with you all. So here she is. We're going to open this. Now, when I tell you Kurt Geiger had a sale going, he had a really good sale going. So, wait until you guys see this one. So, here is my information, the receipt. And here is the bag. And let's take her out and see what we got. So, first thing, we're going to open the small one first. And let's get this all open. This is so exciting. So exciting. I love Kurt Geiger. He's very creative in some of his designs. Now, some of them are a bit much for me, but for the most part, he's very creative, and the bags are good quality for not so, they're not that expensive. So, here is the first piece. Ta-da! Here is my wallet. And we'll take you on a tour of the wallet after we wrap the bag. Woo. Here we are. Ta-da! This is so beautiful. And as I said, I first saw this beauty on Auntie Anita's channel. She did a short on it. And I'm going to try to link that short to my video so that you can check her out. But this is so, so pretty. So, so pretty. And guys, this was only $108. All the way down from $300. They marked it down to $108. Look at the leather on the handles. How pretty that is. It's kind of like a shiny leather. And then you have the web strap or guitar strap, some call it. And here is, let me show you the pretty hang tag on here. So that's the hang tag with that eagle head on there. And this guitar strap has, or the web strap has, where you can hang a charm on there if you wanted to, or a little coin case on there. So let's open up the bag so I can show you the inside. Zip top closure. So it's completely zipped up and closed and secure. Let's take this out. Ooh, here's the dust bag. Ooh, look at that. Here's the inside. Look at that. I love this pocket right here. Very substantial and roomy. You can easily fit your phone and a small iPad in there, or whatever kind of pad that you have. And that's the only pocket inside. There's no other pockets. So that's what that looks like. And there are no pockets on the outside of the bag at all either. So it's just that one pocket inside. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful bag. I love this leopard print or cheetah print or whatever animal print this is. This is just so beautiful, and it's made out of that sturdy canvas material. Very, very sturdy. It is just beautiful. I mean, this is, you can carry, this would be a good work bag if you want to carry it to work, or if you want to travel with the bag. You know, it's just, if you want to use it for a mom bag, it's just beautiful. So that concludes my video on my Kurt Geiger haul. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload future videos. And don't forget to give me a big like, thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let's chat it up. Tell me what you think about Kurt Geiger. And as always, never let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine. See you in the next video.